Hey, Ntwana Zami. I hope you guys are keeping well. So, a podcast in chill and its agents, McG and Saul, seem to be on the spotlight for all the wrong reasons lately. So, Parliament has just recently voted against calling McG to go explain himself to them following statements that he made about Minnie Dlamini on the podcast. And now, moving our attention from McG to Usol Penduka. Take a listen to this.
I'm over this Casper shit, man. Like, we give this guy so much limelight and we're bigger than him, bro. We're putting him on. Fuck him. Damn Dash, if you call him now, do you know who Casper is? He doesn't know, but he knows us.
My nigga. My nigga. My nigga. I love this shit. I love this shit. Fuck. Go on, dog. I'm listening. Go on, dog. I'm listening.
We like drunk McG.
So, well,
No, don't say no, we don't. No. Yo, we have. No. You see this guy? Let me tell you. I was supposed to be in this guy's show, right?
He's trying to avoid
He's a liar. Let me tell you. He's a liar. You're a liar.
What?
I was supposed to be in the show and they said you're going to China. You know, you're going to China. You call Lolo to the show. Why did you guys do
I called
that? Lolo.
Bro, he's saying I was supposed to go to China. I didn't go to China.
Did you go to China?
We went to China. Wait, when?
No, that day when Lola
I
came
went
to
to
your show.
China.
No, but that day Lola came to your show.
That was after
You know that.
Lola.
Lolo. I want you Lolo.
When was that when Lola came?
You were
I
there.
was
Yeah.
So who said I was supposed to be in China?
So Dudu said, no, unfortunately, hi Capone. You
Okay,
can't-
wait.
When
was I in China?
I don't know. Dudu lied to me. I can show you the
Yo.
I never said that.
Yo, list.
Dog, what you mean?
Yo,
I love you, bro.
you hate me for the life.
Nah.
Yo, list.
Like, I don't know what's wrong with your mind. When you left here, bro, I said take the mic to Kapol. I said take the mic to Kapol. It's about 20 already. People are on stream. They're bunch of already. I'm begging. Ah, boys, and I need you. Are you high, bro?
He's even singing it.
Jock, this guy high, so I'm looking for the ticket in you.
Kelebone Lelona, you are asking very kindly and you are keen to see me stop smoking weed. I won't justify myself for what. I'll stop for the country, for everybody.
Later, it's serious. This is the problem. He doesn't take anything serious. TV. No, if I didn't stop him, not going to shout out for the country. What about for you?
Doesn't care. That's not nice. There for the country. You're doing it for the people, not for you.
Yeah, let people soon for the country. Pamuta Tibo. Arne Roshapo, I hear you asking nicely. I'll stop smoking weed for the country.
Casper's washed. Aye. It's chai, bro. I kid you not. It's chai, bro. And people will think I'm hating, man.
Yeah.
But I kid you not.
What's the famous line it has now?
Which line?
Okay.
So,
Look at Mashkaran. Look at my wife.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna get to Hosh Karamai more. What? Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get to that one. You know, there's a saying in football. One pundit said this. He said they were talking about Casemiro. He said you must leave the football before the football leaves you.
Ooh.
Casper needs to leave the mic before the mic leaves him, dog. I kid you not, bro. Like when I saw his performance, right, it wasn't infused like all the other ones, first of all. Because like with all the other ones, the last song, they all got together. So like whoever you were fusing with, they'd all perform kind of like the last song together.
Yeah.
So with Youngstan, it was Imitandazo, so everybody came on stage. But when Casper came on, it's like he gave them a clear instruction that, okay, only I'm performing. Yes, it's a fusion, but this is just my set now. So it became like the Casper
Casper show, not a collaborative.
Yeah, right? And the last time I saw him was Global Citizen. And he literally performed the same.
He stole the show.
He stole the show.
He stole the show.
Oh, he
Man,
was
stole
the best
I
thing
think
ever.
Beyonce were creaking in their boots.
Murder.
Yeah, man, he stole the show.
So he had the same set, and what I realized from the crowd is people were vibing to his old songs.
Of course, bro.
So like Dom Shebeleza,
bro,
they were
Puma
going
gave me-
ham.
Yeah.
The Sunbit Arena was like everybody was.
Yeah. Casper got some nice songs in his
And
catalog.
then he ended with Hosh Karamama what. People started leaving, dogs. I kid you not.
For real.
People started leaving. You can say I'm a hater, ne?
Yeah.
But people started leaving.
They left
So it's not just me. They thought it was
They left the
trash.
venue before the venue left them.
I don't know that Hosh Karamama thing. Yeah, it's a TikTok thing.
Nah, but that song, man, I don't know, man. Casper is capable of better. I'm not feeling that song, bro. I don't want to lie, man. And it's like, he's pushing it. I see the challenges. And I think we're putting the horse before the cart. No, the horse isn't in front of the cart, generally. We're putting the cart before the horse. You know what I mean? We're worried about that, getting that golden 30-second part, getting the right dance challenge. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And songs do well without dance challenges. I got it. Come on. No, but I removed myself from the song. Right? It doesn't have a dance challenge. It doesn't have a TikTok challenge. You know what I mean? Like, guys, South Africans love good music. And for the fact that Java can go and record a whole album, EP, and people are vibing, and he puts it out there, and it's got a national hit right now, and it's gospel at that. It's a digital Maskandi, whatever Java does, that's Zulu and hip-hop infused, and then he does a gospel thing. It's purely music. TikTok won't make that song big. It's just the music, and Casper needs to go back to that. And not just him, but a lot of artists. You know what I mean?
Mina ngikhathele ngifuna imali namantombazane kuphela. Imali namantombazane. Imali nabafazi.